Good evening, friends. I'm Pooja Gandhi from Kirin Advisors. Welcome you all for the virtual IPO roadshow of Motisons Jewelers Limited. Motisons Jewelers Limited, based in Jaipur, Rajasthan, offers a wide range of products, including of gold, diamonds, kundan, pearls, silver, platinum, and precious stones. The company also provides gold and silver coins, utensils, and artifacts. Motisons Jewelers has four showrooms in Jaipur and launched on online platform in 2011 to offer a wide range of products including over 3 lakh designs in gold, diamonds and other materials at various price points. Joining us today, Mr. Lux Chabra, Joint Managing Director. Welcome, sir.
But thank you so much.
Mr. Kaustubh Chabra, Chief Financial Officer. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Mr. Lalit Musal, President. Welcome, sir.
Namaskar ji, thank you.
And CA Ashok Holani, Director, Holani Consultancy Private Limited. Welcome, sir. Now we'll be showing introductory video of the company.
In the heart of the bustling Pink City, a legacy was born. Founded in 1997 by visionary entrepreneurs Sandeep Chhabra and Sanjay Chhabra, Motisons Jewelers quickly emerged as an iconic name in Jaipur's dynamic business landscape. What started as a small jewelry outlet in the vibrant lanes of Johari Bazaar soon blossomed into a thriving enterprise, weaving together the essence of tradition and the allure of contemporary craftsmanship. Today, Motisons stands as a beacon of excellence, embodying the pinnacle of jewelry artistry and customer-centric service. Driven by an unwavering commitment to quality and innovation, the brand soared to new heights with its flagship Motisons Tower gracing the illustrious Tonk Road, and another distinguished outlet nestled in the upscale enclave of Vaishali Nagar. The sprawling expanse of Motisons Tower, adorned with resplendent displays of precious gems and artifacts, echoes the story of a brand that has redefined luxury and elegance in every facet. The ornate interiors, intricately crafted with genuine gemstones and marble, exude an aura of opulence, inviting patrons into a world where every piece of jewelry narrates a tale of timeless beauty and sophistication. And in addition to our thriving jewelry business, we have diversified into other sectors as well, including capital markets, NBFC, real estate and entertainment. Some of our group companies include Motisons Shares Private Limited, Kalpsagar Private Limited, Shivansh Buildcon Private Limited, Godavari Estates Private Limited, Motisons Commodities Private Limited, and among others. A glorious gallery of accolades decorates the path of our illustrious journey, each recognition being a glorious chapter in the narrative of Motisons Jewelers. From the esteemed Retail Jewelers Guild Awards to the prestigious Jewelry World Awards, our legacy shines brightly.
मोतीसन ज्वेलर्स का जन्म हम दोनों भाइयों ने हमारे फादर की विरासत को आगे ले जाने के लिए 1997 में किया। व्यापार की शुरुआत में हमें विरासत में मिले 40 किलो सोने के साथ एक छोटी सी 12 बाई 36 की दुकान जो जयपुर के जोरी बाज़ार में स्थित है।
हम दोनों भाइयों ने मोतीसन ज्वेलर्स को सन 1997 से अभी तक हमारे पिताजी के आदर्श मूल्यों के अनुसार बेस्ट प्योरिटी, बेस्ट क्वालिटी, 100% सर्टिफाइड ज्वेलरी के साथ चलाया है, जिसके कारण हमारे कस्टमर्स का मोतीसन ज्वेलर्स पे अटूट विश्वास है।
Our commitment to excellence and innovation has been hailed by respected institutions, amplifying our resolve to continue crafting unparalleled masterpieces. Today, a workforce of over 275 employees, working 45 in manufacturing and 230 in the stores, come together to help us in reaching sales of Rs 366 crores. With a consistent compound annual growth rate of 19.79%, the company has witnessed a significant increase in revenue from operations, boasting a substantial increase in profits. Notably, the EBITDA has shown a 16.79% CAGR, while the profit after tax has surged impressively at a CAGR of 31.90%. This remarkable growth trajectory is a testament to the company's unwavering commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction.
The legacy passed down by our fathers have been carried forward by us as second-generation entrepreneurs. We have expanded our base from 1 showroom to 4 showrooms and are now planning to set up new showrooms at various strategic locations pan-India. In addition to showroom sales, we are focusing on our e-commerce platform to reach a wider audience and make the latest and affordable jewelry available to them.
Refashioning the regular design to the current favorites while uploading traditions and culture, Motisons is all about class, style, statement and that luxury look. What we value the most is the satisfaction and the blissfulness of our customers. Our vision is to promote trust in the global fine jewelry industry and serve the customers with the best offering that embeds trust, purity and quality, while preserving the heritage of Royal Indian tradition. We aim to be known internationally and expand our footprints further into the e-commerce industry, considering the fast pace of online business in this segment. We strive to be recognized for standards and certification organization for fine jewelry, while driving growth with immense business values by unleashing the opportunities and people potential.
Success of every business depends on the strategies followed by the company. Our company has more than 3 lakh plus designs to ensure our customer should have multiple choices, and at the same time we are keeping the company a satellite. We at Motisons focus on continuous basis on our key financial indicators of our company, such as gross margin, sales growth, EBITDA, PBT margin, NP margin. We have set our internal targets for them on yearly basis, and we constantly monitor them whether our performance is in line with target sets.
Our product portfolio is a kaleidoscopic spectrum, from the grandeur of gold to the sparkling charm of diamonds and the ethereal charm of Kundan Polki. Our product range includes gold jewelry. Infused with the richness of tradition and the timeless appeal of gold, our gold jewelry collection reflects the best of craftsmanship and elegance. Diamond jewelry. Sparkling with brilliance and sophistication, our diamond jewelry collection captivates the essence of luxury and prestige. Kundan Polki jewelry. Enriched with the essence of traditional Indian artistry, our Kundan Polki jewelry exudes royal charm and cultural richness. Silver jewelry. Reflecting contemporary designs and affordability, our silver jewelry collection offers a blend of modern aesthetics and intricate detailing. Other artifacts. Beyond jewelry, we also offer a selection of finely crafted artifacts, including precious metal utensils, decorative items, and other personalized pieces that embody the essence of artistry and craftsmanship.
हमारे पास हर तरह का कस्टमर आता है जिसके लिए हमें हर तरह की इन्वेंट्री चाहिए होती है, जिसके लिए हमारे पास प्रॉपर इन्वेंट्री सिस्टम है जिससे हमारा कैपिटल ब्लॉक नहीं होता और स्टॉक भी शॉर्ट नहीं होता.
At Motisons Jewelers, our manufacturing process is a harmonious blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology, ensuring the highest standards of quality and precision. Leveraging cutting-edge technologies such as CAD-driven designing and laser cutting.
We named our business model as Famico, which means family feeling with corporate culture, what we are trying to give to our customers.
We create exquisite pieces that embody timeless elegance and artistry. Furthermore, our job work outsourcing strategy allows us to collaborate with skilled local artisans who bring our intricate designs to life. By entrusting these artisans with our design specifications, we ensure that our jewelry resonates with the distinct preferences of our diverse customer base. This strategic approach enables us to remain agile and responsive to evolving market trends, positioning us as a frontrunner in the competitive jewelry landscape.
We are running the business by H2S basis, human to human relation by our customer, human to human relation by our employee.
Motisons Jewelers remains committed to upholding its rich heritage, impeccable craftsmanship, and customer-centric approach. The vision to redefine luxury converges with the rich legacy that spans generations and expands globally. Witness the legacy unfold and be a part of Motisons' journey into the future of luxury and elegance as we continue to expand our footprint across diverse sectors as well.
Now I would like to request Mr. Lex Chabra to give detailed presentation of the company. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Laksh Chabra, and I'm the Joint Managing Director of Motisons Jewelers Limited. It's an honor and privilege to be here and representing my second generation legacy of Motisons. And today I'll give you a brief about our company. And so let's begin. Uh, Next slide. So Motisons Jewelers was started in 1997 with a store in Johri Bazaar with a square feet area of 300 square feet. And till now, we have 4 stores with a good growth we showed in the last 25 years that we had in the industry. And we offer gold, diamond, silver jewelry, and plus Polki, Kundan, semi-precious and precious stones. We showcase at our stores. The The key facts of the company is we have more than 25 years of experience. We have total of 25,000 plus square feet retail space. We have 4 showrooms. 4 showrooms are located at very strategic locations in Jaipur. As 2 we have in Johri Bazaar and 1 on Tonk Road and 1 in Vaishali Nagar, which is a southwest area of Jaipur, which is a very good developing area. And we have 3 lakh plus SKUs in our portfolio, which shows very diversified product in our stores, and that is what making us different in the market. We are available online and offline both, and we have 45 plus designs and production quality team and 150 plus teams over in our sales and collectively in marketing too. Next slide, please. So this was the journey that I was going before. In 1997, we started with single store. In 2011, we opened our the grand store, which is called Motisons Tower, and which consists of 16,000 plus square feet area. We have given each floor with different offerings. Like ground floor is for gold, first floor is for diamond, and third floor is for silver. So we have differentiated like that. In 2014, we again opened a store in Johri Bazaar, which only includes silver jewelry. In 2017, we opened our manufacturing unit in Bapu Nagar, and in 2019 and 20, we collaborated with Sandeep Asal by Apu and Sandeep, which was a very great initiative by us, and it helped our brand to be recognized in a very different area uh, of uh, of the city. In 21, we opened Vaishali Nagar, which is, as I told you before, it is a upgrowing area in Jaipur, and it is a very strategic location that we have chosen so far. Next slide. This is all the accomplishment that we have achieved till now, and as you can look in the slide, in 2016, 17, 19, We have different types of award for our stores, for our jewelry. Over 5 lakh plus rupees of jewelry we have got an award for. Yeah, next slide. So these are the strength of Motisons Jewelers. We have a strong brand name and legacy that we have of more than 25 plus years. We all our showrooms are located on a very strategic locations, and every store is located on a high street of Jaipur. We have very diversified portfolio. We can we have all type of jewelry, including each and every price point we can cater to. Uh, Starting from 10,000 to over and above more than 10 lakh rupees of product we have. We have established system which mitigates our risk, and it improves our efficiency in overall manner. And we have strong leadership team, and we have very established leaders in our company which have given us a way to move forward in coming years. Next slide. So this is our one of the most iconic stores that we have. We are one of the largest retail. We have the largest jewelry retail store in Rajasthan, and this is our building. So the outer structure reflects the beauty of lotus flower, and it showcases the symbol of prosperity. And the shades of the building were chosen by the Navratans, which depicts again a prosperity in over there. And so all the shades are different, 9 colors. Next slide, please. So I'll give you the management overview. So on the left, we have Sandeep Chavra, who's the chairman and a whole-time director, who have 20 plus years of experience in the jewelry industry. And we have Sanjay Chavra, who's the managing director, who has again plus 20 plus years of experience in jewelry industry. Next slide, please. So on the left, it's me, and in the center and on the right is Kajal Chavra and Namita Chavra, who's the non-executive director of Motisons Jewelers, who have who has expertise in different area of the industry we have. And next slide is our leadership team. On the left, we have our CFO, Mr. Kaustubh Chavda. In the center, we have Naval Kishore Agarwal, who's the president, and on the right is Nirmal Gangwal. And again, on the right is Mr. Lalit Musal, who managed the operations of the company, who's again the president of Morrison Jewelers Limited. So next slide. So these all are independent directors who have very different backgrounds in different industry. So we have a clear overview, so we can take the good decisions in long run. Next slide. So the business overview will be given by Lalit ji, who's the president of Motisons Jewelers Limited. Please, Lalit ji, carry on.
Hi everyone, I am Lalit Musal, President of Motisons Jewelers Limited, and I am taking care of our entire operational activities. As you know, our business is retail model. So first of all, I explain my retail showrooms. First showroom is in Jori Bazaar, that is of near about 1600 square feet. Second store is on Ponk Road, that is of 16,000 square feet. Another store in Jori Bazaar that is of 800 square feet. And the last store which we opened in 2021 that is of 6,800 square feet. Next slide, please. Next one. So as everybody knows, we are retailer, and our business is a retail model. So we kept everything regarding jewelry in our stores, from gold, kundan polki, silver jewelry, diamond jewelry, pearls, color stones, uh, silver articles, gold coins, silver coins, etc. So we have more than 3 lakhs SKUs in our store. Our stores, anybody comes to our store find each and everything that jewelry have. So we have one store. We have everything in a one store. So our retail mod we are in retail model. So we are having basically trading type of module rather than manufacturing unit manufacturing. We have 95% of our business of trading, and near about 5% of manufacturing business. For conversion, next slide, please. Are all gold jewelry is or all gold and diamond jewelry are hallmarked. Above 2 grams of jewelry is totally hallmarked, and all diamond jewelry is certified with IGI and GI and IDT. All certifications are there. Each and every piece in store is certified with third party. Next slide, please. We have two manufacturing units, one in Sitapura and one in Bapunagar. We have capacity of 400 kg, uh, capacity of 400 kg, but we don't produce that much of jewelry because we are focusing on retailing. We do a trading business with lots of vendors. Our vendors are working as a for us for producing different kind of jewelry. We cater every segments of jewelry, like minimal to bridal, contemporary to traditional, uh, fashionable to casuals. We have dedicated inventory management focusing non-conversion, non-conversion. So we have all type of jewelry. Manufacturing, basically, we are more into the trading business. Uh, we, we have 95% of trading business and 5% of manufacturing business. Uh, Next slide, please. So I want to show you some figures about industrial view, what jewelry industry is like. In 2016, there is a business of 35,000 to 35 billions of USD dollar, which is growing up to 60 billions of USD in 2021. So it is the jewelry industry in India is now growing tremendously. It is doubled from 2016 to 2021. Next slide, please. So, as a industry, you can see that 7% is the share of key organized players. So, organized players having a great amount of share in our jewelry industry. Next, please. There is some key demand drivers which are creating the demands in jewelry. One is the most important factor is seasonal in demands. Wedding, festival, and harvest in rural regions are the main drivers of the categories, and the seasonal nature of each drives assure that demand for jewelry is tied to different months and seasons. Preference for jewelry brands now, people are converting into branded jewelry or from traditional shops. They are buying from branded jewelry showrooms. Nowadays, increase in income levels, so it is the basic factor that increase in income level drives people to purchase jewelry in many demographic dividends. Our basic key factor is that transparency in pricing and product quality. We have very transparency and pricing. and product quality. Our tags have all details of jewelry like gold rate, labor, diamonds value, diamond weightage, color stone values. Each and everything is written in our tag. Our quality process is divided into two part. First is quality, and that is first is purity, and second is quality. For purity, we have different kind of certification like BIS, Hallmark, and certification from third party like IDT, IGI, and GIA. Second part of uh, quality. Second part is quality, and our quality check is we are having an immense team of quality check. They do each and every piece coming from vendor or manufacturing should be taking care of each and every part like metal polish, diamond setting, each and everything. So our team do a great quality check. Uh, for financials overview, Mr. Kaustubh Chavda is giving you a uh, financial overview. Kaustubh.
थैंक यू ललित जी। जैसे कि आप सब देख रहे हैं, कैन यू हैव नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज। ये मोतिसन ज्वेलर्स के फाइनेंशियल्स हैं। जैसा कि हमारा रेवेन्यू 2022 में 314 करोड़ का था, और अब 2023 में ये हो चुका है 366 करोड़ का। तो 2022 के बाद से 2021 के बाद से मार्केट में इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ आई है बहुत अच्छी, जिससे सबकी बहुत ज़्यादा परचेसिंग पावर इंक्रीज हुई है। लग्जरी इंडस्ट्रीज को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हुआ है, इकोनॉमी को बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हुआ है। ऐसे अगर हम देखते हैं तो हमारा जो प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स है, जो हमारा 22 करोड़ का था 2023 में, वो इस साल जून में हमारा बहुत अच्छा हुआ है। 5.47 के आसपास का है जून तक का। और अभी हमारे Q2 और Q4 जो हमारे क्वार्टर्स है वो हमारे बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं, तो हम उसको देखते हुए अगर आगे बढ़ते हैं तो हम आगे बहुत अच्छा इसको लेके चलेंगे कि हमारे आगे फाइनेंशियल्स भी बहुत और अच्छे आएंगे। हमारे मार्जिन्स आप देख सकते हैं कि जैसे हमारे मार्जिन्स बहुत अच्छी तरह ग्रो हुए हैं। हमारे ग्रॉस मार्जिन्स बहुत अच्छी तरह ग्रो हुए हैं। हमारा ग्रॉस मार्जिन जो 2023 का था, 2023 का हमारा ग्रॉस मार्जिन 17.54 का था, और इस बार जून तक का जो हमने दिया है, वो जून तक का हमारा ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट मार्जिन आया है 18.16 का, जो कि एक बहुत अच्छे हेल्दी कंपनी के हेल्दी फाइनेंशियल्स को दिखाता है, जो हमारे इसमें मदद करता है कि ये दिखाने के लिए हमारे इन्वेस्टर्स को कि कंपनी बहुत अच्छा ग्रो कर रही है, कंपनी के फिगर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी बहुत अच्छी है कंपनी की। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। ये हमारी बैलेंस शीट है, जिसमें हमारे कुछ ये हमारा क्या बैलेंस शीट में हमारे, जैसे आप देख सकते हो, हमारी बैलेंस शीट बहुत एसेट लाइट रहती है, कि जिससे कंपनी को ज़्यादा प्रेशर में नहीं आना पड़े। हम बैलेंस शीट को बहुत इजी रखते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। ये हमारा ये हमारा कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट है। ये हमारे रेशियोज हैं, फाइनेंशियल रेशियोज, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, ROE, ROCE, जो हमारे बहुत हेल्दी उसको दिखाते हैं। नेक्स्ट स्लाइड। इसमें आप देख इसमें आप हमारे मार्जिन्स देख सकते हैं।
ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट मार्जिन्स, जो हमारे फाइनेंशियल केपीआईज हैं जो कंपनी के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, जो कि हमारी बहुत हेल्दी उसमें सबको शोकेस करते हैं। अब मैं मिस्टर अशोक जी हुलानी जी से वो करना चाहूँगा कि वो आगे कंटिन्यू करें और कंपनी के इशू के बारे में आगे बताएं। थैंक यू।
Hello friends, I welcome all of you in the IPO meet of Motisons Jewelers Limited. This IPO is conducted on the main platform of the NSE and BSE. The IPO is done by the book building method, and the IPO will open for subscription from 18th of December and will closes on 20th of December. Under this IPO, the Motisan Jewelers Limited is targeting to raise 151 crores from the investors by offering its 2 crore 74 lakh 71,000 equity shares in a price band of 52 to 55 rupees per equity shares. The issue is 100% fresh issue, and there is no OFS from the promoters or any other shareholders. The issue has been bifurcated into three structures in a QIB, NIB, and retail shareholders. Under the QIB segment, the company has made a allocation of 1 crore 13 lakhs 12,750 equity shares, in which has a captain option to issue 66 lakhs equity shares to its anchor investors on a discretionary basis. The HNI segment has been allocated 54 lakh 96,000 equity shares, and the retail segment has been allocated 1 crore 6 lakh 62,250 equity shares. The promoters, via this public issue of Motisons Jewelers Limited, are diluting their 34% stake in the company and raising 151 crores. Before going into the IPO, the company has already done a pre-IPO placement of 33 crores and has diluted 60 lakh equity shares. So the post-IPO holding of the promoter and the public in this IPO in this company shall be 66% from the promoter side and 34% from the investor side. The company has a plans to deploy this particular fund raised from the IPO into three objects of the issues. One is the repayment of the existing bank borrowings amounting to 58 crore rupees. Secondly, to finance incremental working capital requirement by growth of the business of amount leading to 71 crore rupees. The balance shall be utilized by the company for meeting its general corporate purposes. The issue will close on December 20th, and valuation has been done on a very scientific manner. The post PB multiple on the basis of March 23 financial shall be 24, and with the growth in this particular year, that will definitely benefit the investors whosoever invest. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for very well explaining. Now we'll start with question and answer session. I request all the participants to please post your questions in the comment box. So, first question is from Mr. Bhanu. The debt of equity ratio of the company is 3.32 times. What is the planning reduce debts? Davaria Singh from Business Remedies.
Yeah, I will answer this question. The one of the object of the issue is the repayment of the existing bank borrowings amounting to 58 crores. After this IPO, the entire bank borrowings shall be repaid by the company from the proceeds of the IPO. So definitely with this IPO, with the issue of fresh equity shares in the company to the extent of 151 crores, the net worth will increase and correspondingly the reduction in the debt due to repayment of bank borrowings. So after this IPO, this ratio will be significantly down, and in our proposition, it will come below 1 after this IPO.
One more question from Mr. Bhanu. Please elaborate on the planning of geographic expansion.
Yeah, I'll explain this. So basically, we'll find a more cost-effective way to expand ourselves. And as you said, our geographical expansion will be more in Rajasthan than any outer city than Rajasthan. Because I think as a brand, we have a good brand name in Rajasthan, so we're gonna cater to that. And yeah, that's it.
Okay. One more question from Banu. In the last 2 decades, Jaipur emerged as a color stone hub. What is the company position in this segment?
We generally do color stone business. We don't do a loose color stone only. We cater uh, astrological color stone selling. But as a jewelry, we use most of them color stones in jewelry. It is good quantum of color stone in our jewelry.
Okay. Move on to the next question from Bimal Gandhi. What is your market share in the Rajasthan jewelry market?
Should I answer?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So currently we are the market leaders, one of the market leaders in Jaipur and particularly in Rajasthan too. As saying about the market share, we don't have particular number about that, but as you can see, our sales and from last year to this year, from last year we did 314 crores of sales, and in 2023 we did of 366 crores, which I think is a good number in this industry. And saying that, we have very good repetitive customers for our brand and for our jewelry too.
Okay. Next question is from Mr. Gaurav Mehta. Are you planning to expand beyond Jaipur, Rajasthan?
Yes, as I said before, we're gonna do more R&D and surveys in different cities, and we'll find some cost-effective manner to expand ourselves in a very cost-efficient manner. And if we find a way in that, we're gonna expand it beyond Jaipur, 100%. Yeah.
Okay. Next question is from Ms. Bharti Agarwal. Who are your key competitors?
As stated in our RHP, we have written DP Abhushan, Thangmail Jewelers, and Goldium Jewelry, and Resonance Jewelry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Move on to next question. Ms. Sanika Khimani. Since we have advised a good growth, achieved a good growth, CAGR in the past, what kind of CAGR growth are we expecting in the next 2 to 3 years?
As per SEBI guidelines, we as a management or the BRLM cannot comment on the future growth prospects. So, but the business is going good. So we can only say about this.
Okay. Move on to next question. Next question is from Mr. Akshay Shah. What is the contribution from online sales as percentage of overall sales?
Yeah. So from online sales, we have particularly we have very less amount from that, and we are more focusing on online in coming years, and we're gonna expand it in a good manner. And as we can see, there's a trend change after COVID, where people are moving towards online. So we are going to more focus on online comparatively too.
Okay. Next question is from Ms. Bharti Agarwal. What are our competitive advantages?
I think we have more than 300,000 plus SKUs in our portfolio, which gives a diversified uh, jewelry products to our customers, and we cater to each and every customer with gender, age, demographic. We have every type of product in our portfolio, as we have coins artifacts too and silver artifacts too in our portfolio. So we have good ample amount of uh, jewelry in our portfolio. And as I said in our presentation before, that we are located on high streets of Jaipur, which again is a strategic move from us. And I said this is an advantage for any jewelers that they are located on a high street.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Next question is from Ms. Ananya Swaminathan. Can you give gold, diamond, stone contribution to sales revenues?
Yeah, so gold sales is a higher than any comparative jewelry we have. But as said, we use diamond in our gold jewelry too. So hence we have a good volume in that too. But in our RHP, we have given like more than 75% we have gold sales, and more than 12 to no, around 12 to 15% we have sale of diamond, and except that we have silver jewelry sale.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next question is from Bimal Gandhi. Are our showrooms on our own land or is it on rent? If it is on rent, how much rent do we pay per annum?
Yeah, so the land is owned by the owner, but as Murison Jewelers, we give rent to the company which is owned by, and around the rent we pay is around one 1.38
2.5 crores annually.
2.5. Yeah, so yeah.
Okay. One more question from Bimal. Do we do contract manufacturing for leading jewelry brands? If yes, for whom and how much of our revenue is from contract manufacturing?
We don't do contract manufacturing for jewelry brands, but we customize product for our customers who have any specification in particular product. So we are into that.
And we sell on our brand only.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question is from R.N. Gupta. Jewelry purchases is very personalized. How do you hope to grow online sales?
As seeing the demand, we have seen that online people are choosing more lightweight jewelry, and they have very particular price band in online comparative to any offline sale. So we have personalized that. We have under 1 lakh product, 1 lakh rupees of product is listed on our website, and so that's how we differentiate it. And again, said we have very lightweight and modernized jewelry online.
Okay.
Yeah.
Next question from Ananya. What is your outlook and on operating margin going forward? Does it have upward bias or will be maintained at current 14% approx?
At present, in the first quarter of the this particular financial year, we have already clocked 14%, and we hope to grow on the same margins or to maintain them. And with the new geographies and online sales are ready, proposed to be added in the portfolio, we will try to maximize our returns, operating margins in future also.
Okay. One more question from Bimal Gandhi. Do we have any export presence? If yes, which countries we export to?
As we said, we are into the retailing business. We don't have any export sales as of now.
Okay. Next question is from Kojin Finburst. What is the average footfalls at all the stores and average ticket size?
The average footfall is near about 100 above, and the ticket size is near about 1 lakh 25,000.
Okay. Next question is from Ananya. How many skilled laborers, karigars are working with us?
In our manufacturing unit, it is 25%. But as we are a trader, so we have many of karigars doing on job works. So it is plenty of them.
Okay. Next question is from Gaurav Mehta. And what is the rate of interest on overall borrowings?
There are two types of borrowings in the company. One is the secured borrowings from the banks and unsecured borrowings from the promoters and their friends. So the bank borrowings has an average borrowing rate of 8.58 and the promoters borrowing has a rate of average rate of 11.60.
Okay. Next question is from Rajesh Bhatia. What is the planned capex for the next 2 to 3 years?
The company has a ambitious planning to expand from the Jaipur geography to different cities of the Rajasthan first. So they tend to have a stated policy for expanding into two cities, Jodhpur and Jaipur, and for which they will develop a showrooms out there. And on an estimate basis, 5 crore per showroom is a capex which is really required for developing these showrooms.
Okay. Move on to the next question from Banu Rajawat. Recently, we have seen big fluctuations in the gold price, $1,750 to $2,100. What will be the impact on the overall jewelry business? Is the company use any kind of risk management regarding price?
Yeah.
Lalit ji?
So yeah, should I answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Please go
please.
ahead.
Yeah. So as Bhanu said, as the price have increased from $1,750 to 200, sorry, $2,100, we can see there's an increase in the business because people are trend of seeing the falling trend. They have seen that there's an increase in the price, so they are thinking that the price of gold will increase more, so they tend to buy and store gold more, and hence our demand is also increased. And again said, if the price have decreased to 2100 to 750, people are still going to buy gold from us, because again they will think it's a store of value and it will increase to 2100 again. So demand is there when there is a price fluctuation in the market. And again said, in risk management, I think Lalit ji will tell about this, how we manage the risk.
Yeah, we buy next day what we sell today. So we keep the stock intact as it is. So there is no risk factor from price differentiation.
Okay. Next question is from Ananya Swaminathan. What was the capex incurred for our showroom till date? Lakshdeep, would you like to take this?
These
Hello.
showrooms are on a rental basis. So we have made a capex in regard to decoration of these showrooms. So it is not significant because mostly are on a rent basis. In fact, every showroom is on a rent basis.
Okay. Next question is from Kojan. What will be the major growth drivers for the company for next 3 to 5 years?
I think as disposable income of people are rising, so people are thinking more towards store of value. So uh, they are moving towards jewelry than any other asset. So we are seeing a growth in particular markets, especially in Jaipur, as the wedding festival is all wedding is also rising. As we can see the trend from last year to this year, we have a good number of wedding happening in Jaipur particularly. And again, as people are moving towards light jewelry, we are trying to keep more lightweight and modernized jewelry at our stores. So yes, we're gonna forecast a good growth in the company, and we're gonna maintain it like that way.
Okay. Next question is from Mr. Vijay. From where do we source diamonds, India or import it?
We source all diamonds from India only. We don't import right directly.
Okay. Next question is from Rajesh Bhatia. Current designs portfolio is 3 lakh designs. What is the normal rate of additional every year?
Near about 10 to 15% we add on yearly basis.
Okay. Next question is from Rahul Jain. How much have you spent on Motison's branding? What percentage of revenue do you plan to spend going forward?
Okay, so as a jewelry retailer, we spend a good amount of money on our branding. But we have a very iconic store in Jaipur, particularly. As we have showed you in the presentation and the video too. So it caters to as a brand for a Motisons, and we try to utilize that in our branding. And again, as a percentage of the revenue, I think it's a good amount, but
It is 72 lakhs last year.
yeah.
Okay. Next question from Prem Singhania. Gems and jewelry are one of the highest contribution to GDP. Do you enjoy any government benefits subsidiaries?
Though we are in retail, all most of the subsidiaries are in export business, so we don't cater any kind of subsidy from government right now.
Okay. Move on to next question. Next question is from Kojin. What is the post money valuation of the company and post issue promoter holding?
The post valuation of the company on a listing price shall be 541 crores, with 501 to 541 crores, depending upon the price band which the company finalized after the issue closing. The post issue promoter holding will be 66%.
Okay. Next question from Harsh Singh. Harsha, how many new stores are we planning to open in next 2 years?
We don't have any particular numbers, but yes, we are planning to open stores in different geography of Rajasthan.
Okay. Move on to next question. Mr. Jain, out of total inventory, what is the amount of minimum inventory you have to maintain as display?
Near about 10 to 15% inventory is on display. Rest of them are on backside.
Okay. One more question from Jean. Do we have our own karigars for designs or we customize? Or we outsource?
We have 7 people of designing team in our in-house, but as we are doing from business from trading, our vendors have many of designers, which those who are working for us only.
Okay. One more question from Coaching. What is the revenue breakup between different jewelry segments that we have?
As I told before, that 75% plus we have gold sales, and 10 to 15% is of diamond, and less is left of silver jewelry.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more question from Jean. What is our studied ratio?
Studded ratio, I think Lalit ji will answer this.
15%.
Move on to the next question from Sanika Khimani. What are the main risks in our business?
Main risk is just the inventory turnover days, which we have, which is right now on a little higher scale, but we are planning to get it down on a lower scale, on a lower days, and which will be done after the post IPO also. So we are working on that.
Okay. Move on to the next question from Kojin. What is the store size we are looking for the opening the new stores, and what would be the average cost of setting up the new stores?
Uh, Particularly, we don't have proper figure right now, and it would be better if we can give proper figure later on the stage, rather saying any number right now.
Okay.
Our R&D team is working on that. So whenever it will be finalized, then we can let you know.
Okay. One more question from Kojin. How much finished inventory do we keep with us?
Almost all inventory is in finished inventory. There
Okay.
is very few ratio of raw materials, though we are doing less of manufacturing, more of trading.
Okay. Next question from Kojin. What is the making charges for your product range, as we have wide range of skulls for high-end and lower jewelry?
Our
They
making
vary
charges
from
start at
product to product.
cost of आप दीजिए.
Actually, the making charges vary to product to product.
Okay. One more question from Kojin. As today was anchor bidding day, so Holani ji, how was to response from anchor, and how many participants?
Yeah, anchor bidding was successful and was encouraging. The report has been shared to the stock exchanges and can be downloaded from there.
Okay. Move on to next question. All the best for the IPO. I think we
Thank you.
have covered
Thanks a lot.
Thank you,
majority
everyone.
of questions. So thank you, Lakshji, Lalitji, Kaushikji, Ashokji, for giving insights about the company and IPO to the investors community. And thank you, investors who participate for the IPO roadshow. Thank you once again.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you.
you very
Thanks a
much.
lot.
Thank you so much for the response. Thank you.